What's the problem? My phone battery doesn't last. Oh, just come with me, come with me. iPhone users, this is for you. Are you tired of constantly charging your iPhone battery just because the battery doesn't last? I can imagine, because longer battery life is a big deal for every Apple devices. So in this video, I'll be showing you tips and tricks on how to achieve a longer lasting battery performance for your iPhone. And technically, it works. Come look at this.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Step 1. Under Settings, click on General. Click on Background and App Refresh. All these apps are using battery to stay active, so turn them off. Secondly, go to Accessibility. Click on Motion and turn on Reduce Motion, and turn off Autoplay Message and Autoplay Video. Third step, go to Privacy. Click on Location Services. Scroll all the way down and click System Services. And here, turn off Location-Based Alerts, Location-Based Suggestions. Scroll down a bit and also turn off iPhone Analytics and Popular Near Me. Finally, under Settings, go to Siri and Search. Scroll all the way down and turn off all Siri suggestions. Suggestions while sharing, suggestions on lock, suggestions on home screen. And then restart your phone for optimal performance. This is optional though. Here is a quick bonus tip. Apple recommends that you try to keep your iPhone battery between 30 and 80% charged. Topping up to 100% isn't optimal, although it won't damage your battery. But letting it run down to 0% can prematurely kill the battery. Please take note. If you have any question regarding this, kindly drop your question in the comment section below, and don't forget to follow us for more.